This property was up for 200, and we ended up getting it for 178 or 180 or something, which was below, because someone had bought it previously, then pulled out, and the owner was getting a bit shitty with I am sold, saying that they're going to pull it from them. So they ended up just selling it for what the owner wanted there and then.
Not through auction, just through...
No, I still had to pay the
£6,300
£6,300 I am sold. But this house got completed in 6 weeks.
That's impressive.
Full back to brick refurb.
That's really good.
Yeah, it's and you can see the quality sells.
Yeah.
Walk around and have a look.
They've set the standard properly.
Yeah, awesome. Like literally, when I say awesome, they've been exceptional. Probably one of the best builders I've ever worked with in time. Quality's amazing, and the one thing I actually did in this house, I just let them pick all the colours and everything, which I've never done before.
Did you refinance this?
Not yet, but I will be.
What's the sort of... what did you buy it for? And what did
180, it's going to cost me 70 to 50, and then probably end value is going to be about 325 to 350.
Nice.
Okay.
So yeah.
It's healthy.
So what are your mortgage payments on this once you refinance?
Well, it depends on what I want to refinance it for.
Okay.
So if I'm trying to pull the most amount of money out, I want £250,000 back. At what, 4%? 4.2%, it'll come in at probably about 900 quid a month.
What's
And
the
then
strategy?
you're achieving 1.2.
Well,
Right.
1.7 I'm going to get because they've already offered, yeah.
What's the strategy in terms of, do you look to pull out the most you can, like leverage, or do you look to just sort of all money out? And
Yeah,
go from there?
not really. At the beginning it was as much money as I could pull out as possible. Now I'm alright leaving 20, 30, 40 grand in if I have to. No, it's just acquiring. Just keep building as many as I can get. And keeping, not selling. That's the key now.
What is your portfolio at the moment in terms of like...
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Actually, you said that. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
was
said
like,
that.
I'll give it to him.
Yeah, it's very good.
Always
It's-
interested.
Yeah, it's good. Not for the camera. I'd listen to nobody apart from my team. So anyone who's on the outside who's always a bit negative or just saying, oh, I don't know about that or I don't know about this, I pay zero. Like, you don't even get 1% of my attention. The only people that get my attention is my team. When they say, right, this is what we need to do, or this could be done better. So mentally, I'm completely in control of my brain. And again, this was a really old dated house.
I can see a trend. Do you?
Yeah.
Because
It's very similar.
we.
And they're all different contractors who don't know each other as well, remember?
So the projects you look for, they mainly just like three bed, 1.5.
No.
Rinse and repeat.
No, this is just that you've just come in on a radius of where I bought them. When you go to the other ones, you'll see. Yeah.
Nice.
So I have no personal choice. It's whatever makes money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smart way to do things.
Yeah, whatever.
Emotionless.
Yeah, there's no emotions in these at all. Whatever makes money, as long as the margins are there to make the profit I need to make. So if I have joint venture partners, as long as their money's covered and I make a profit, my bridging loan, if I use bridging, obviously, as long as the profit, everything, as long as the money's there and it adds up, I'm in. Yeah. It's very rare that I turn anything down. Once I've figured out it makes the money.
Yeah. Because I mean, if you can get access to money, joint venture, your own finance or other finances.
Yeah, so that's my key. That's what I'm trying to build up over the next 5 years. Just having a network of people that can give money, like constantly. And the way that I see it as well is, I don't need to build 200-300 homes. I don't need to build 200 apartments. I don't need to get into those 20, 30, 40 million pound developments that you put all that capital in, then there's a few mistakes and a few things go wrong, and all of a sudden you could end up bankrupt or in the shit. I'll just do what's comfortable and what works. Why change something if it works, or if it's not broken? Why are you trying to fix something? If you can make 30, 40, 50 grand from flips like this, you refinance it, or you can do a project where you make 200-300 grand, why do you need to go and spend 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 million
Yeah.
He's on his 75 days. Is it 8 or 9 today?
8.
8 days today. He's doing extremely well. He did have chicken though in the salad. Don't know if that affects.
Chicken?
Listen, I'm just
Chicken.
calling a spade, everyone.
Listen, there's chicken.
I also had a message from our brother from another mother today, Phil. He's happy and safe in Nepal. He is sending me, is it Namaste? Yeah, that's what he sent me. So yeah. Listen, we're going to another development now and the day is turning out to be super educational. It seems like everybody's enjoying it, which is really cool. Just sold out of the TPC tour, 25th, sold out, no more spaces. If you missed it, guys, the next one is the 17th of March. Tickets are below. Site visits. It's really cool as well because I'm getting to see what's going on with my projects. Just had someone sign up to the bespoke deal sourcing for £3,000. Sat, we will find you the house that you are looking for. And I've had my phone on silent all day, so if you guys have been trying to contact me, I'm sorry. I'm busy till 5 o'clock and I will get back to everybody by the time you've watched this daily maybe. Guys, last project of the day because we are on 4:15. These guys have got to edit it, get the daily out. I need to go to the gym. Yes. You been today?
I'm going tonight. I'll make it every day this week.
I'm watching.
Every day this week. It's happening.
I'm watching. Guys, these two have been with me all day. Not camera shy. But yeah, tell them what you've learned today and what value you think you might, or what you think you've got, or what you did you get, or whatever.
Yeah, just the actual facts and figures of how much everything costs is so different to what you might think. Yeah, just seeing everything actual face value of what it is and past face value of the facts and figures. Steve's basically just said, not this one, the other projects, 9 grand for the outside, for the back, and he's actually broken it down in his head and he actually knows what he's talking about. It's not just, oh, yeah, here's a sheet, see that guy. He's overseeing everything, which is brilliant.
I think it's just been amazing to see someone that's actively doing it and actively coming out to the sites, like communicating with the build team. They're not just like relying on their teams, like they're actually making an active effort. And to kind of just be able to kind of ask stupid questions that you might think stupid, but to Steve, he just wants to provide as much value as possible. To like asking like what that is, what this is, just being able to answer that like off the back, knowing that off his head, off the top of his head, it's incredible. So yeah.
Yeah, just seeing like dozens of projects a quarter, actually seeing the scale and the way it works, it's so synchronized and so one step after the other. There's no missteps of like, oh, where's the build team, where's this, where's that. Everything's just day by day categorized, which is really good to see. Something you don't see very often at all.
And that was no pressure, even though we paid them 50 quid each, literally before they did it. It's been a good day, and I'm really glad that we did that giveaway where some people have been able to come around, because we've got 2 people that actually want to learn, that genuinely want to do it correctly. They want to be around people who are doing it in the right way. So hopefully them coming around today, they can see the level of what finishes we get to, the way we speak to our contractors, the way we speak to the people around us, the way we treat people. Yeah, so it's been a really good day. Sourcing division are doing great things. I told you we just sourced, we just got another bespoke investor on the board. We have a deal sourcing, what is it? It's like a breakdown, isn't it?
Yeah.
So like we have a deal sourcing breakdown, free booklet in the link below for you guys, completely free, no strings attached, nothing at all. It's there for you guys to start understanding about deal sourcing, which is one of the most profitable strategies in property today. I literally have had no email reply. I've replied to no emails, and I'm sorry about my phone calls again. I've been basically not ignoring people, but I've been busy today, so I will respond to everybody tonight. Tomorrow's going to be a really cool day. I'm out and about. Tonight I want to film some stuff for you at home because I have a live with the Property Circle tonight. I'm going to be talking about buy, refurbish, refinance, rent, and how it can be done in the market today, because people think because of the interest rates it doesn't work. Nonsense, absolute rubbish. And this guy will be unveiled on camera one day, won't you?
Very soon.
Very soon. It's Tom.
It's
It's not really, guys, I'm only joking. Yeah, so I'm signing out. I am, oh, do you want to just have a look at this here as well, 1 second? So can you see where all the tiles have come up, the porcelain ones that are on the grass now? The reason that they've been taken up is because they're fitting the step in front, and they want to make sure they're secure and they don't want damage when the step's being done. And then here, look guys, we're having the grate done. All of the grate is being fitted into the porcelain tiles out there. And then the stairs for this project are being delivered in the next 10 days or so.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, I'm trying to get them for 10 days. We have the kitchen ready to go as well. Expensive, the kitchen was expensive. Did we get the discount? From, I don't want to say her name.
Yeah, we can get the discount. I just need 100% yes, and I can go and sit there with them.
There you go. So we can get the kitchen sorted. We've got someone to do the tiles on the floor as well, which is pretty cool, because this is going to be really nice actually. It's going to be a beautiful house. And then we need the bathrooms fitted upstairs, and then we can close this one out, and it's done. We've had all the rubbish moved off the front drive. We've had all the rubbish moved off the one at the bottom of the road. We've got a mound of rubbish on the other one though, haven't we? Guys, I know on Friday I said I was going to give you a breakdown of how there's a legal dispute going on with the contractor. Haven't been able to do it today. I will try and make time tomorrow. If not, my team have already advised me today it'll be Wednesday. It's amicable, yes, but it's got to a stage where it needs to be dealt with. Other than that, sayonara, adios, bon appetit.